Welcome to the Burg-Wächter Professionals. In this video, we want to introduce you to the PureSafe, create codes and program fingerprints with you, and also show how to reset the whole thing. Once we have unpacked the PureSafe, we have to open it for the first time with the emergency key. The emergency key is stuck on the back. There are two included. It's important to note that these are truly unique keys, so you cannot get replacement keys for them. Here we can see a small notch, and this notch absolutely must be facing upwards. We then insert the emergency key right here and can subsequently open the safe. Yes, it's still a bit hard to open because the transport corners are still attached. So we can carefully remove those, and now we need to put the safe into full operation by gently pulling out this small battery isolation strip right here, and now we can confidently start using the electronic features. We have now activated the electronics and want to change our user code. The factory code is 168. We open the secure safe by pressing the enter key to activate the internal electronics. We then carefully enter the code 168, confirm with enter, and the safe smoothly opens. The door also pops open a bit on its own thanks to the spring mechanism. With the safe open, we can now change the code. We press the enter key again and simply enter a new one. The code can be between 3 and 6 digits long. Now I will proceed to enter the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. Following this, I will press the enter key and it will then show us good. And with that confirmation, the new code is successfully saved. We will then press the close button to securely lock the safe and subsequently test the entire thing again. I then press the enter key, carefully enter our brand new security code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, then press enter once more and the safe subsequently opens. We have now changed the user code. Next, we also want to register a fingerprint. Here we have the version with fingerprint. To do this, we turn the keypad on again and enter our master code. By default, this particular code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enter. Now the safe mechanism counts up to a total of 10. During this crucial time period, we absolutely have to press the enter key once again and then carefully enter the specific code 23. Press enter and we see the fingerprint sensor lights up blue. Now we can place our finger on it. Now comes step 2, place our finger on it again. Step 3, place our finger on it once more. Now it turns green, indicating that our finger has been successfully registered. The nice thing is, once we've registered the finger, we can simply place our finger on the sensor. And the safe opens immediately. Let me show you. And the safe opens. So we don't even need to activate it with the enter key first. We have now changed the user code and registered a fingerprint. Now we also need to change the master code. This is often forgotten. The factory default code is 1 through 8. We activate the electronics with enter and enter the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, enter. And now we can clearly see here it successfully counts up to 10. Within this time we have to press the enter key again. And now we enter a new 8-digit master code. I am entering the sequence 87654321 and then pressing enter. Repeat, so enter it again. 87654321. Please now enter the code. Now it says good. That means the master code has been changed and we can get started. So now we've changed the user codes and the master code. If we ever happen to forget or completely lose all the codes, for whatever reason that might occur, there's still the very important option to open the safe with the emergency key and then subsequently reset the circuit board so the safe can be used again. To do this, we simply open the safe with the emergency key and then have to carefully remove the back panel by unscrewing the 2 screws. Let's proceed to do that now. We'll take a standard Phillips screwdriver. And I'll start unscrewing. Loosen both screws. Number 2. Alright, both screws are removed. Now on the back we have 2 of these plastic plugs. We'll pull those out. If you can't pull them out by hand, a small flathead screwdriver will help here as well. Now we can carefully remove the back panel because we still have the cable here that connects the battery compartment to the circuit board. We'll leave that attached so that the whole thing continues to be powered, of course. And now we have the contacts here to reset the device. We can simply use a bent paper clip to bridge these two contacts here. We also hear the beeping, and with that the electronics are now reset. But before that, I'll try out the code. Let's press enter and enter our factory code 168, then enter. The bolts retract, the reset was successful, and now we can reassemble everything. I'm going to screw the whole thing back together now, and you can watch the next video.